Stop cracking your knuckles or you'll get arthritis. Sound familiar? Well, guess what? Mom and dad were wrong. That satisfying pop often comes from the formation of gas bubbles in the synovial fluid which lubricates joints. When these bubbles form, they slightly increase the space within the joint, allowing for a bit more movement. So cracking your joints can also help release tension in the surrounding muscles. This relaxation can lead to a feeling of increased flexibility. It is totally harmless. So go ahead and crack away. Your knuckles aren't going to get mad at you. Your neighbor might. Did your parents freak out about this one too? Drop a comment and tell me your funniest knuckle cracking story or the myth you were told.